New Brunswick is officially facing a court challenge over its transphobic changes to pronoun policies in schools, and the policy changes could get quashed. Here's what's up. The Canadian Civil Liberties Association just filed the first lawsuit challenging the pronoun policy changes, which force schools to either out children to their parents or misgender and dead name them every single day. Because the changes to Policy 713, which is New Brunswick's safe space policy for schools, require parental consent for any pronoun or name changes at school, including informal ones. Here's the thing, if kids don't feel safe coming out to their parents, there's probably a good reason for that. And if they're forcibly outed to an abusive transphobic family, which I'm sorry to say do exist, that could get dangerous fast. So the CCLA is asking a judge to review and undo these changes, saying they violate LGBTQ children's rights. Specifically, they say the changes to Policy 713 treat LGBTQ students differently, quote, in the provision of educational services based on their gender identity or gender expression, which is prohibited by the Human Rights Act. They also say the changes violate LGBTQ children's charter rights, including, quote, the right to equality and non-discrimination, the right to liberty and security of person, and the right to freedom of expression. But even as New Brunswick is facing a court challenge, Saskatchewan appears to be doubling down on its promise to copy the deeply flawed policy changes, with Premier Mo tweeting today that he promises to implement legislation to protect parental rights, seemingly ignoring the fact that children are also human beings with rights of their own. What do you think of all this?